Hello, fifth grade. It is so nice to talk to you again. I know you guys have moved on to your next special, but I just wanted to give an update on our coding challenge that we worked on for the 5 weeks that you were with me. I have our top 5 coders listed on the side with our class total down the bottom, which is like mind-blowing. And if you ever get a chance to walk by my classroom, you will see this picture of our bulletin board. So I kind of kept track. Our original goal for all of the classes was about 25,000 lines, and we ended up with almost 41,000 lines of code in the 5 weeks we were together. So for Mr. Pisacano's class, the 5th most lines coded goes to Abigail with 1,278. Way to go, Abby. In 4th place, Yayo with 1,392 lines of code. Excellent. Number 3, Braden with 1,602. Just over the 1,600 mark. Way to go, Braden. 2nd place with almost 3,000 lines. And to put this into perspective, any other 5th grade class, he would have been the top coder. Jacob with 2,979 lines of code. But unfortunately for Jacob, there was Alex in the class. Alex ended up with 4,500 lines of code. Alex, amazing job, way to go. So there were our top 5, and as a class, I checked this like 3 times when I saw this number. I just couldn't believe it. We, as a class, just the 5th grade, coded 25,984 lines of code, more than what I thought everyone would do. 5th, 4th, 2nd, 3rd, and 1st in kindergarten. So excellent job, everyone. It was so nice having you. Good luck in middle school next year. Take care, and if you're walking by, stop by and say hi. See you guys.